Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be removing a Peugeot 3008TA instrument cluster. It is plug and play from what I've seen as long as the part numbers match. Keep in mind that if you buy a cluster that has higher kilometers, the car will take the higher kilometer cluster. So if you buy a cluster that's on 35,000 and your car's on 140,000, it will take the 140,000. Now starting us off, just underneath the cluster there is a little cover which we will just remove partially and pull towards the steering wheel. And then here is the tricky part which requires a bit of patience. At the top of the cluster there are two little locator areas where you'll need to get in between with a screwdriver and patiently detach the clips. This is going to require patience and a bit of time. Once you hear the click sound, you can give it a slight pull and it should come out. Do one side and then I will show you the unedited other side, as this first side came out quite easily, but the other one did take a little bit more effort. You see, if it's not coming out easily, that means it's still attached or clipped on. Once it's unclipped, it'll be very easy to pull off, so you'll just have to be a bit patient. And then all that's left to do is to unplug. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Refitting is basically just replugging and then push on. It's quite easy to do. And then putting back our little cover, which just slides and clips on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel. And we will see you in our upcoming videos.